Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. I'm Brian Eslick, and today I wanted to talk to you about finishing the year strong and setting those goals for next year so you can be the best automotive technician you could possibly be. So stay tuned for that. So a lot of people are just going to cruise for the next couple of days and finish out the year. They're just going to do the minimum. They're just going to put minimum effort, just kind of get this year over. Well, I wanted to encourage you to not do that and just push hard. I want to challenge you to push hard and work as hard as you can and finish the end of the year out on a good push and an upward swing. That's going to motivate you into 2021. That's going to help you out. So if you just cruise into 2021, you're going to start 2021 off in a cruise mode. You're going to be waiting on the world to change instead of you pushing really hard, motivating yourself, and then when 2021 gets here, then you could be in the driver's seat. You could be the one making things happen because you're motivated. You're really pumped about the year. So one of the biggest things that people were doing last year in 2020 was they were just kind of waiting to see what's going to happen. Well, now we've waited and seen what's going to happen, and we know the worst case scenarios and some of the best case scenarios. So now going into this year, it's up to us to take charge and make a change. So as an automotive technician, you can do stuff like register for online classes. A lot of things still probably going to be closed down. Maybe in the later part of the year, the classes will open back up and we can attend those. But for right now, you can still be getting a lot of training. There's a lot of online, opportunities out there. You just got to search them out. Book one of those classes and start, advancing your career. This would be a perfect year to work on yourself. Take a look at yourself, your attitude, everything about how you work, and try to make your actual work life better. Also, if the job you work at is a sucky job, start making the steps to find a new job and make that move. It may be the right time for you. Not only you can answer that for yourself. I can't say that your job is a horrible job. Only you can answer that. But if you believe it is, now is the time to start making those moves and start getting your ducks in a row. So if that means getting your certifications, if that means getting your tool bill paid down so you can leave the shop, no matter what your case and scenario may be, you can work on that now and you can be motivated now. So I'm encouraging you guys to finish the year out strong. The next couple of days, just push as hard as you can and then take that momentum into 2021. So my challenge for you guys to end this year out right is to finish the year strong, and then in 2021 make a serious 100% commitment to make your life better, to do better than you've ever done before, to work harder than you've ever done, train harder than you've ever done, and just make the best decisions for yourself. I'm Brian Eslick from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.